أهلا طلاب. So احنا رح نبدأ ب chapter 2 section 1 question number 1 بهذا chapter. Okay, so what is a function? Okay, let's do question number 1. So if you take a look at part A first, which of these sets of ordered pairs are functions? Okay, احنا عشان to define a function for every input there should be an output. Okay, يعني مثلا 4 عم تعطيني 4. Now إذا كان عندي كمان مرة الانبوت again it is 4, so I expect the answer to be 4 مش to be 3 مثلا. So for this number 4 it has one output that's distinct, فإذا بدخلها كمان مرة ما بعطيني the same output. Look at 3. هاي 3 2 مع 2 1 مع 1 0 مع 0, so every input has its own output. Okay, والinput, okay, if I repeat the same input مثلا if I repeat 1 again I expect it to give me 1. إذا بتعطيني مثلا if I have an order pair like this مثلا 1 خلينا نحكي minus 7 within this set of order pairs بيكون مرة ايش بصير؟ ال1 بعطيني 1 and another time بعطيني minus 7. يعني الانبوت كل مرة بعطيني الشكل. Okay, it gives me different answer every time. This is not a function, it is a relation. Okay, so part A it is a function. Look at part B. Part B minus 4 أعطاني 4 و minus 2 أعطى 6 0 3 1 1 3 minus 1 4. So for all these inputs نفس الانبوت مثل minus 4 بعطيني 4, okay, minus 2 بعطيني 6, فما في repetition للانبوت that is giving me a different output. So yes, this is a function. Now look at part C. هون مشكلة. Look, so the input is 3. Now when it's 3 it gives me 4. Now if I insert the input again which is 3 it's giving me 3. If I insert the input again it is giving me 2. فكل مرة every time I insert 3 it's giving me a different answer. This is not a relation. Sorry, this is not a function, it is a relation. Okay, so this is not a function, it's a relation because the same input gives me different answers every time. فهذا it's not a function, it's just a relation. Look at part D. Part D, as you can see, minus 2 is giving me 4, that's fine. 3 is giving me 0, that's fine. 1 is giving me 2, that's fine. Now 1 is giving me 6. مرة ال1 بتعطيني 2 ومرة ال1 بتعطيني 6. This is not a function, it's a relation. And look at 3. 3 is giving me 0. Then if I input 3, it's giving me 8. So an input, when you have the same input, it's giving me different outputs. This is not a function, it's a relation. فهي غلط. The last one, look at minus 2. مرة بتعطيني 4 بعدين minus 2 it's giving me 3. كل مرة شكل. Look at 1. It's giving me 1, then again 1, it's giving me 7. No, this is not a function, it's a relation. And the last one, look at the last one. Input is 4, it's giving me 1. That's great. Now the input is 3, it's giving me 1. That's fine. If you have the same output for different inputs, it's still a function. فهاي it is a function. Please pay attention to that part. So the ones that are not a functions are the ones that have inputs giving you different outputs every time. Like look at minus 2, it's giving you 4, then minus 2, it's giving you 3. هون عندنا problem, it's not a function. Okay, let's use our mark scheme. Yes, أول part it is a function. هذه part A. So function, not a function, not a function, not a function. They are relation because one input has many outputs or many different outputs. One input is giving me a different output each time. That's confusing. That's not a function. That's a relation. And the last one is a function. Okay, let me know, students, your thoughts about this question. Okay.